Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the Mi4A unboxing, installation and all the features will be covered in this video, so stay tuned. You can see this is a 3-star rated TV, so it is a budget friendly TV with all the features. It's a smart TV. So you can see the box price is 19,000 and I've got it for 17,000 on Amazon. You can buy from the link which is provided in the description, so if you are interested you can buy from that. And here it is written that we should not open the TV until the service provider come or the installation guy come. So after receiving the package, the second day itself the guy came and he has been installing this TV for 3 years. So he's a professional and he has done it many times. I came to know that the most of the installation which he has done is for MI TV 32 inch. So here you can see the TV is quite compact and easy to install also. So most of the people are buying this because it is a budget friendly TV and it has all the features what a smart TV is required. So you can see currently he is checking if there is any damage for the TV and if the TV is powering on. First step is that, so he will plug in the code and check if the TV is working. So he's quite gentle and calm person. He was telling all the things which he was going to do. He is a professional and he's doing it quite well. So as you can see, he is checking for damage. So the most common damage is the panel coming out. So he's checking the TV is perfectly alright. So he's switching it on by pressing the button below. So there's a small button below the TV. So TV is working. So now the installation process begins. So he asked me for if we want a straight stand or a rotating stand. So we preferred a rotating stand because it is quite easy to move the TV around. So it came for 600 rupees. So the box price is 599. So that was the only cost which we gave to him, the stand price. So currently he is putting in 2 screws to show us how the TV will look on the wall. So he is showing that it's quite easy to move. So everything is demonstrated and after that only he is onto it. So he's unscrewing it and now he is taking the measurement with the leveler. So he is checking if the stand is correctly aligned. The installation is done professionally, so I am quite satisfied with the installation guy. So he has done all the things in 30 minutes itself. So I am quite happy with the service which he was providing. He said that the most of the people will screw diagonally, only 2 screws will be installed, but we should be careful that we should not do that. All the 4 screws should be installed properly. We should not install it diagonally. It is a risky shot because the TV has chances of coming off. So currently he has asked me for help to hold the TV so that he can put the screw from the stand to the TV. So the installation process has been completed. The TV is mounted on the rotating stand which can be rotated sideways. So he also bought me a set-top box stand which can be fitted below the TV and it also has a remote holder. You can see down below. It costs 300 rupees. So my father suggested not to buy it because he has already set up a stand. Now he is plugging 3 pins from the set-top box. So it comes with a remote which is quite compact and few buttons on it. So it is a good quality remote which has AAA battery. So I will suggest to buy the AAA battery or the pencil battery it is called. To buy it first, it will be not provided by the company. So we have to buy it separately. So the TV is booting. So every time when switching it on, it takes some time to load. So I have already connected Wi-Fi before. So you can see all the features: home, movie, shows, live, sports. So if you have internet and if we have Netflix or Amazon Prime access, we can log in and connect to it. So currently it's a PatchWall setup, so basic. If you not connect to internet, this screen will pop up without the images. To show the clarity of the TV, so I am playing one of my video on YouTube. So let's play this video. So as you can see, the clarity is quite good. So because I'm shooting it on mobile, there will be some variation in the color combination, even though it is quite good clarity which the TV is providing. We can see the sound is awesome. The sound quality is very good in the MI TV, and the picture quality also. Similar to your mobile phone, the TV also has many options like to search, and it has many pre-installed applications. So I will show you the applications which has been installed. So you can see the installed Google Play Music, YouTube, Amazon, Netflix, everything which is required for viewing. So here you can see the app installed. It has also a screencasting option from the mobile to TV with the help of Wi-Fi. So coming to the back side of the TV, we have various port. So it has 3 HDMI port, 2 USB port, a cable TV port, and 3.5mm audio jack, and a LAN cable connection on the top. So this is on the right side of the TV, right back side of the TV. So you can see the stand is also quite of good quality. The MI authorized stand it is. If you are planning to install, don't buy the stand from outside. The people who are coming for installation will bring the stand. It is suggested not to buy the stand from outside. So here is the button below. You can see this is a small button. No need to press the button every time, only for the first time boot only. So at the left side of the TV you can see the power cable which is going out. So nothing else is there on the TV. So I hope you have enjoyed this review. So until next time, peace out.